Best Blondie recipe. Yes, approved by this Blondie especially. And stay tuned because during the recipe I'm going to show you a really good hack. First of all, you're going to need a square baking tin that's lined and preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Then in a bowl, put 90 grams of melted butter, 160 grams of soft light brown sugar and 90 grams of caster sugar. Mix that round. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs. Mix again until it's fairly smooth. And then you're going to put in 130 grams of plain flour. Mix that in. Then I'm adding in 100 grams of white chocolate chips, although you could use milk chocolate chips. Just fold those in. Then place the mixture into your baking tin and just sort of smooth out to the sides. Pop it in your oven for 35 minutes. You can check that it's cooked by just popping a knife into the top, but I like it because it sort of pulls away slightly from the edge of the tin, but still has that nice gooey texture into the centre. Let it cool down for a few minutes and then you can start cutting it into segments. I actually like to make it into brownie bites, so it makes around about 18 of these. Then gently lift them over to a wire tray to cool down. So here is the hack. My family like fighting for the ones that have that chewy edge but still gooey in the centre. So what I tend to do is there's usually about 4 or 5 in the centre that are quite gooey, so I leave them on that parchment paper and pop them in the oven for around about 10 minutes. That then crisps up the edges and it also gives me peace. Then I just love to dust them with some icing sugar. Now, how are you going to have yours? As they are with a cup of tea, or how about as a pudding with ice cream or custard? Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.